Hey, what's up everybody? Spice Lemon back again with the new Apex Legends Season 4 gameplay. Right now I'm currently trying to get some more good, Revenant clips, but for now, figured I'd pop out this quick video, and I hope you all enjoy it. Peace.
Hold your breath, if you have to breathe.
Season, baby.
Is that how I do it?
I wanted to play Revenant, but my teammate took him, so I'm playing some Pathfinder. And hopefully
Going to check out
get some dubs. R301,
Havoc here.
you can have that.
Don't go
Mr.
thinking I owe you
Robot.
anything.
You're welcome. I love you too.
That's not the exchange he meant, Pathfinder, but okay. Woo.
Friends, I'm going to loot here.
Let's get the loot. This place is empty. Why? Why?
First blood
My
on the
God,
enemy.
why is there nothing here? Oh, someone looted it.
Enemies have been here.
Oh, someone's right here.
Hostile.
Whoa!
Contact with hostile.
Whoa! I'm gonna need
Making
some help.
contact with enemy.
They're close. And I'm toast. Lifeline, please.
Down one. Go here.
Enemy taken out.
I need help.
I'll take anything, please.
I am repairing myself.
I'm here.
Inserts are here.
Move! Move! You're blocking me, teammate! Ah! Punch! Punch! Oh my God.
Go here.
My
We
God.
killed the last member. Good work. Don't worry.
Okay, that was hectic. Didn't help that my teammate was kind of blocking the door, but whatever. I'm alive. That's all that matters.
Just a screen.
Bro, do you want me to revive you or not? Move!
Don't worry, I'm here.
I want light ammo.
Okay, well, my gun is a Mozambique. Let's get the dub.
Find me shotgun ammo.
I can give you some of that.
Shotgun ammo here.
I'll take it.
I'm not thanking you.
Happy to help, friend.
I'm not thanking you.
I'm happy to help. I'm not thanking you.
Here. 10 seconds. Rings close.
Ooh, that was insane.
Watch out for the new kill leader, friend. Let's go this way.
Alright. Using the L-Star, they made it just a gun you can pick up now. It's neat. Keep using it. Oh, no I won't, because this is the new... Well, actually, I'm going to drop the sword at me. It's the new sniper rifle. Ooh. Now I just need a good scope. And then
Looking
I
for
will
sniper optics.
wreck noobs, because I'm an epic gamer.
I'm not thanking you.
You're welcome.
Someone's been through
I love you too.
Oh my God, I love Revenant's character. I'm not thanking you. I love you too.
We're not the first ones who've been here.
Astute observation. This.
Shotgun bolt here. Level 3. Contact.
That was definitely people. Scary, but if I can find a sniper scope, I'll be good. Scope. Scope. Did anybody leave a sniper scope, please? scope. Alright, let's go get him.
Using grapple.
I'll take the helmet.
Skins it over here. Shut it down. Firing.
Oh! I hit him with that one. No! Go away.
Taken down. Giving my shield a recharge.
That one's down.
Alright, that's 2 down. 1 surviving over here. And they're dead!
Big up to us.
Oh no, he was
That
self-reviving.
the last one in the squad.
Woo! That was scary, but we got him. I got that little... I guess it's only a no-scope if the sniper rifle doesn't have a scope on it, but it still counts.
I need energy ammo.
Any energy in this boy? Nah. Ooh, that got the blood flowing. Now I'm excited again. Let's get it.
Need light ammo.
Yep, adrenaline going through my brain. IQ points lowering by the second. Let's go. Woo-hoo.
That package.
Aw, I have a lifeline package.
Use your med.
Here I go.
Ooh. So that's cool. I don't have to reload this thing.
Barrel stabilizer here. Level 3.
Sniper rifle seems really good.
Barrel stabilizer.
That was like
Yeah.
63 damage or something, just for that one shot.
You're welcome. I
I
love
think that's
you
more
too.
than the longbow. The longbow's like 50. Right here, shooting over here. Wait, I have the thing. I can use the shield battery to charge a shot in this gun to do more damage. I don't know if it's worth it,
Let's undo.
but if I see someone, I want to try it. I got enough shields to spare. Sounds fun.
Let's explore this way.
Anybody over here? Oh my god, I hear that it's like over there. I'm moving over
Open
there because that's
supply bin
all the
over here.
ammo I need.
Grappling. It looks like people have been there.
What's over here?
I'm okay moving
Heard
over
that.
there. I want kills too, Revenant. Still 8 squads left. Let's get to killing.
Let's explore this way.
I heard you. Someone's been there. Wonder if they're still around.
Using grapple.
There's definitely somebody still around.
Go here, now.
Can we go up there?
I changed my mind.
Attention. There is
Keep eyes on the
Hello? Anybody home?
Care package out there.
Totally don't want to shoot you. Oh, definitely people somewhere near this.
Hostile right here.
Yep.
Yes. Someone's here.
That guy's hurt.
Thermite grenade.
Wherever he is, he's hurt. Hardcore. You just try to snipe me, boy? Oh no! That was kind of dumb.
Down another.
Oh no! Oh no!
We should go this way.
Someone's got a death wish.
Alright, I'm coming. Oh, good job, teammate. I'm sorry. I didn't do much there, but
I got you,
I
friend.
did hurt that guy with a sniper. It was kind of cool.
Healing.
Our Revenant's pretty good. He clutched that up right there.
1 second.
Ooh. Ooh, I'll take that.
Optics here. Close range.
I don't need that many of those.
Using a med kit.
Repairing my damages.
Right? Dang, I should have aimed for the head, but whatever, I got it. I have an extra shield battery, so if I just pre-charge this, does it hold it?
Someone's gonna
Oh wait, so it has a timer. I need to shoot someone. Well, they were over there.
optics here. Close range.
You want to push me? I totally don't have a cool gun charged.
Shields are
I
low.
swear.
Charging them.
I would not lie.
Death box
Hostile
here.
close.
I heard him. Oh, I want to use this.
Don't go thinking I owe you anything.
Happy to help, friend.
They're under here somewhere. They shot us. Ooh, I want to use this disruptor thing, but I don't see anybody. Where'd they run off to? Oh, wait, that's a Watson thing over there.
10 seconds. The ring is fairly close. Look over there. It's an interceptor. Looks like some enemies have been here.
I'm probably not going to be able to use the
The ring's
disruptor,
moving,
but
friends.
still.
Go here. Now. Care package coming down.
Heard that.
That stinks. Whatever.
Target spotted.
I heard you. Need more kills. What's over here?
Oh god, alright, they're...
Recharging shields. Receiving damage.
Shut you up real good.
I am repairing myself.
Alright, that was an epic distraction. I know you're coming over to me. Knock that one.
Enemy taken. Keeping my shields recharged. Recharging shields.
Ooh, it's a little toxic, but I don't care. Free shield, baby. Woo!
We have time. The crowd loves you, and they really
He's over here.
Get me back in the fight.
Revive him.
Get over here.
I got you. I got you. Got you. That guy's weak, so he's gonna heal and come back, but I don't care.
Hope you're not expecting a thank you.
happy to help, friend.
I'll take that, because now I have a cool sniper and
30
a cool
seconds
thing.
to get inside that ring.
I don't care if it's like, I can't use it anymore. I think I just saw him over there.
Making contact with enemy. Contact with target.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Jesus. Don't go that way, man. Heal, 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 heal. Ah. It's not a bad move. You have to use it. Alright, we're kind of pinched here, but let's take the solo out. Oh, let's not do that. One's really weak. Oh my god, we won. Woo! Oh my god, that was so cool. I didn't get to use the charge shot thing, but got to use the new sniper. It's really lit. Alright. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe. And that was Pathfinder on the New World's Edge. Peace!